I now invite Erin Mitchell, brand manager for Red Stripe Bear. Red Stripe in the house.
Thank you, Miss Kitty. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How's everybody doing? You know, in some countries, 21 is a milestone, and we're very glad that Sumfest has gotten to 21. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For 21 years, Red Stripe has been a major partner of the iconic Sumfest Festival, contributing to world-renowned performances that have transformed the music landscape in Jamaica. This synergy has created the #1 reggae festival in the world, and we're pleased to continue this journey with Sumfest. As exclusive alcohol sponsor, Red Stripe will ensure that at this festival, Sumfest consumers enjoy their favorite Jamaican beer, well cold of course, with a Red Stripe mug deal at an exclusive Sumfest price. The Sumfest experience isn't only at Catherine Hall, however. You're getting a taste of it now. You're going to get some great performances, as well as enjoying, you know, the drinks at the bar, Red Stripe. Leading up to the event, consumers will also have the opportunity to enjoy the Red Stripe experience by engaging in our bar activations and being one of 100 lucky consumers to win exclusive tickets to Sumfest. Macaw is one such account and will begin their Sumfest night this Thursday, so we encourage you to come back out and, you know, experience the Red Stripe specials that they'll have. Red Stripe will help to kick off the Sumfest week on July 21st as we invite consumers to join us on Aquasol Beach in Mobay for the ultimate Sumfest beach party. And then to conclude the week, bringing back the day party experience in true style as only Red Stripe can. On Saturday, July 27th, Red Stripe will invade Margaritaville for an unlimited Red Stripe mug party, with celebrity appearances and performances, and of course the full complement of Margaritaville oceanside attractions. This will be an event for the hip strip to remember, so we encourage everybody to come out because this is an event that will be open to the public. This is just a small taste of what will drive our involvement at Sumfest this year, and we invite everybody to check out our Facebook page, facebook.com/JamaicanBear, or follow us on Jamaican Bear on Twitter for further details. Cheers to another exciting year of Sumfest. We are very pleased to continue this partnership, and we look forward to seeing everybody at Catherine Hall, Montego Bay. Thank you very much.